Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. He's been my fourth man in the fire, time after time. Born of His Spirit and washed in His blood, and what He did for me on Calvary is more than enough. I trust in God, my Savior, the one who will never fail. He will never fail. In perfect submission, all is at rest. I know the author of tomorrow has ordered my steps. So this is my story. Oh, this is my song. I'm raising my risen King and Savior all the day